Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you which is better, Pictory AI or Fliki in making faceless videos. Let's begin. So here we are in Pictory.ai and here is the Fliki, right here, Fliki. And now what we're gonna do first is that we are going to compare the prices because I think Fliki and Pictory AI are both great at doing their jobs and creating faceless videos. But I think the one that would matter right here is the price on how much you have to pay for each. So let's go in the prices right here. And as you can see right here, this is the Fliki right here. So you can have it $21 per month. While in Pictory.ai, we'd go into the subscriptions right here, upgrade right here, and you would have this right here. You would have the $19, $39, and $99. So with the $19 per month, you would have a 30 video per month right here, up to 10 minutes text to video, and 5,000 movie tracks, and so on right here. And I think this is pretty much comparable into Fliki right here, which is $21 per month. You would have it 180 minutes of video. I think I like the 180 minutes of video audio more than this 30 videos per month, because with minutes format, then you would be able to control how much you are making, and its video length is up to 15 minutes compared to this one, which is only 10 minutes right here. But if you would upgrade to 39, which is pretty much expensive, you would have a longer version of video. So you would have 20 hours of video transcription per month right here. 20 hours is so much more than 180 minutes right here, which is only 3 hours. So yeah, but right here, so if you'd want to, I guess if you'd want to stay budget friendly right here, I'd go for Fliki. But if you have a little bit more budget, then I'd go for Pictory right here. It offers more features, and compared to Fliki, where it's only like this one, where the controls is like this right here, it's too lacking for me. In my opinion, it's too lacking for me. Compared to Pictory.ai, you would have this right here. Article to video, edit video using text, visual to video, and script to video right here. Whereas in Fliki, you also have the idea to video right here, blog to video, PPT to video, or tweet to video right here. The most interesting thing for me right here is the idea to video right here, but you can also do that with Pictory.ai. So either way, you will be in good hands, whichever one you choose. So yeah, I think it just depends on your budget right here. But if you would ask me on which one would I would choose, I would go for Pictory.ai. I think they create more quality videos than Fliki right here, because in Fliki they create good videos but not as good as Pictory.ai in my opinion. And that's basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.